shall we speak in secret? We're always seeking fabulous destinations. And why not? Spots with which we can connect. Yet, these spaces also need people to populate them. They need you. Because every destination needs someone to experience it. The more, the merrier. Destinations are born and enjoyed through what others have left us. In short, this is also your story, wherever you come from and whoever you are. No borders, no limits, because all of us are not here until you are. The Region of Valencia, also for you.